Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am talking about the Clean and Clear Blackhead Eraser Scrub that is oil-free by Johnson & Johnson, and it's 5 ounces. The actual product may vary in style from this bottle, but I haven't seen anything different as of yet, but it's just a little warning there. It lifts away dirt and oil, gently exfoliates fewer blackheads in just 2 days, and it is made with salicylic acid instead of benzoyl peroxide. Salicylic acid is typically better for older skin than younger skin. Younger skin responds better to benzoyl peroxide. Older skin responds better to salicylic acid. So I'm lucky enough that I use enough good face products, this being one of them, to not really have any blackheads at all. There was a time when I used to have lots of blackheads, but since I have a routine, I use a face wash, a pigment brightening wash, I do peels on my faces at home, masks, I use this Blackhead eraser scrub. I use it all, masks and peels and creams and lotions, and I try anything to make my skin look good and young, and this is just one of the steps that I use. Then this just happens to be a over-the-counter drugstore brand. It's not anything that is prescribed. I don't know if it says anything about this here. Just basically to wet your face, gently massage over your face for 20 to 30 seconds, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Recommended in daily use. For external use only, it's got 2% salicylic acid, which is for acne medication. For treatment of acne, clears blackheads. You just want to keep that at bay. So even if you don't have that, this is a good product to still use. And Johnson & Johnson is a very well-known company and makes tried and true products. I use their baby shampoo just to wash my eyeshadow brushes because I met a professional that told me that that's all you needed was a very gentle shampoo, and she said the Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo was the way to get it done. I heard once from a dermatologist, using this is really great to add to your routine. I scrub longer than I probably should, maybe a minute and a half or so, because I try and scrape as much dead skin off as possible, get that fresh layer of skin up there, and get all of the dirty particles that get on me during the day. After work, I will use this and wipe away, a couple layers of skin and say goodbye to blackheads, because it does a really good job of keeping them away. So one of the ways to do that is to keep your pores small, and by using certain washes and scrubs and lotions and masks, you can keep your pore size smaller. Once a pore blows up to a certain size, it doesn't go back down in size, so you want to keep them as small and as clean as possible. And this Clean and Clear Blackhead Eraser Scrub is one of those things that will help you keep to that promise. So I've been using it for years. I don't even know how many years I've been using it, but I've been using it for years, and the only reason I've been doing that is because it's worth it. It actually works. I keep extras on hand. I know, I'm bad like that. I don't like to run out of anything, so I keep extras of these behind and use this when I'm giving my sister a facial, or myself a facial, or my husband a facial, and it's just it's got little beads in it that help to exfoliate and scrub the face, and it's just a great little product. So why not try it out for yourself? You don't have to take my word for it. Why? Try it yourself and see if you like it. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it.